know. Let me show you. It's not knit, it's crochet. Just one hook, that's how I play. Your grandma knits? Well, bless her heart. But this is crochet, it's a different art. Take a look, it's crochet. Crochet. Just one hook, that's how I slay, how I slay. Handmade magic with a hook so clean. Not like knitting, copied by machine. Crochet can't be fake, every stitch is a real. It's a whole different vibe, a whole different feel. Take a look, it's crochet. Crochet. Just one hook, that's how I slay, how I slay, how I slay. All crafts are neat, but crochet's my beat. As Jonah would say, what does he say? I'm a crocheter pro.